Hi guys, today we are trimming the body mount and installing the All-Pro body mount cap plates. This is a necessary modification when running larger tires to prevent the tire from rubbing on the fender and the body mount. First, we recommend removing the tire for more workspace. Now we're going to mark the frame 3 3/4 of an inch away from the inside of the body mount. To ensure the body mount cut template is to scale, place the body mount chop plate on top of it. The template should be larger by approximately 1/16 of an inch all the way around. You can cut the template out of normal paper or thin cardboard. Today I'm going to use thin cardboard similar to a cereal box. First I will cut the template out so that I can trace it onto the thin cardboard. We are going to want the negative of the template. The template can be cut using scissors or with a utility knife. The template should look similar to this. The upper portion of the template will need to be trimmed for clearance between the body mount and the cab. Align the bottom of the template with the bottom of the body mount. Slide the inside of the template out until it covers the line previously made. This will give the approximate location. You may have to adjust the positioning slightly. You want the outer portion of the template to be close to the front of this protrusion. Tape in place and straighten out the template. Using the template, mark the approximate cut line. This will give you an approximate cut line. You will not need to cut all the way up to this line. I will now mark the fender well to be cut. You will also need to mark the fender to be trimmed. This will vary between different models. You will want to do something similar to what we have shown. The fender cut should be on a similar plane to the body mount cut. Do a test fit to see what parts need to be trimmed back more. In our application, it looks like I need to trim the top back more. Tack the plate into place. It may be necessary to close up the gaps using a hammer. After tacking the plate into place, it is now a good time to check tire clearance. The pinch weld should also be bent over. To do this, cut the pinch weld as shown, being careful not to cut through the firewall, and hammer over. Clean off firewall and body mount. Clean up weld if desired. Use undercoating to cover the pinch weld section that has been hammered over. Use paint or undercoating to paint the body mount. Reinstall tire and repeat on the opposite side of the vehicle. We hope this video was helpful for your installation. For more products, please go to allprooffroad.com.